For people who have an entrepreneurial mindset, there is incredible potential to use the internet to create a successful business. Starting an online business can be an exciting adventure for any newcomer. However, online business, like any other business, is not just a walk in the park. It is not easy, and there are a lot of pitfalls that any business owner should be careful of. In this video, you will learn the 7 mistakes you need to avoid if you want a successful online business. But before getting into it, please subscribe to this channel and tap the bell icon for regular updates. Number 1, starting a business you are not passionate about. Starting a business requires dedication and commitment because even when profits are not high, you need to stay invested. If you do not have enthusiasm for the business you choose, the learning and sales process seems like homework. When you find that there is more competition than you anticipate and becoming profitable is harder than you think, you will get easily discouraged. So, if you want a successful online business, do not ever start with something that you are not passionate about. Otherwise, everything about the product or service you are selling will always seem like a lot of work for you. Always remember, the more you enjoy your business, the more successful it becomes. Number 2, failing to prepare. Once you have committed to starting an online business, do not fall into the trap of failing to prepare. You still need a business plan. Although many aspects of your business will evolve over time, you still need to start with a good outline so you will not get lost along the way. Writing the business plan will help you to identify potential issues and come up with a timeline for your goals. Also, having a business plan is beneficial when you're pitching to investors to fund your business because you can provide them with a blueprint on how you expect to use their investments. Number 3, taking too much time to launch. Business experts say that most business owners fall in a trap when they wait until their idea can be executed perfectly when actually good will do. When you first realize an excellent business opportunity online, it is normal to research the market, competitors, the process, and the aspects of creating an online business. Research and evaluation are great, but spending too much time on them may mean that you may miss your window to launch. The longer you delay, the longer it will take your business to make money. Also, a long timeline to launch may increase your chances of being beaten by a competitor. So don't let yourself fall into analysis paralysis. In business, timing is everything. Don't overthink or worry too much about perfection, or you may miss your window. Number 4, hiring the wrong people. The business at this stage is small and agile, which means you have a high rate of innovation and growth, and with that comes work, lots of work, and most likely the work will go beyond the job description. If you hire the wrong person for your business and then you find out too late that they are a poor fit, you have to fire them, which is a waste of your resources and productivity. So don't just hire anyone. Make sure that the people you hire understand your rate of innovation and are as passionate about the work in your business as you are. Number 5, ignoring the competition. Ignoring the competition is another potentially fatal business mistake. Imagine that you are selling a product for double the price of what your competitor is selling it for. Of course, you don't want that. You need to know everything about your competitors, from how big they are, where they're based, how they ship their items, what products they sell, and anything else that you can find out. You need to see what you're up against and figure out their strengths and their weaknesses for you to hopefully resolve within your own business. Number 6, ignoring customer service. Don't ever commit to this mistake because nobody wants to buy from a business with unimpressible customer service. As much as you need the loyalty of your employees, you also need the loyalty of your customers. Customer service includes processing funds, responding to customer inquiries, and managing the feedback. It allows you to build a solid relationship with your customers. The stronger your customer relations, the easier it is to serve customers with the products which they love. This ensures your customers that you are committed to keeping them happy by listening to their needs. As a result, your customers keep coming back to your online store, giving you the profit that you seek. Number 7, expecting an overnight success. Do not think that because you have lower overheads than traditional business that you will make profits overnight. Building an online business is no less difficult than it is in the real world. It takes energy, time, effort, and lots of planning. Don't make the mistake of thinking it's easy and fast to make money online. Take time and work hard to make your business the best that it can be, and the success will follow. So this is all for today. Feel free to leave your thoughts in the comment section below. If you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Lastly, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon for regular updates.